Hello everyone. I would like to present my prelim examination. This Pacman theme, everything was modeled using Blender, and it was also animated using Blender. First thing that I did after exporting the FBX file in Blender was to use the AI camera and an image target. In my image target, I used here the Pacman model, and after that, I made the animator controller for the animation. At first, I had like 19 types of animation here, but I narrowed it down to only 5. But I only used 3, mainly the both head animation, the bottom head animation, and the upper head animation. So let's go into the Pac-Man animator controller. I used 3 different types of layer, one for each part of the movement, for the upper head, the bottom head, and the movement. At first, I was struggling on how to make it work. I also tried scripting, but it didn't work. But then I came to find an article online on how to properly mask and layer and overlay the animations on top of one another. I just need to use the mask, which is I created here, the head, the lower head, and the movement, and set it to override as well as the default weight of 1. After the animator controller is done, I added a component called animator, and I simply click and drag the animator controller here in as the new controller. After that, I added the image. I clicked the image target and added the audio file, which is the Pac-Man iconic sound. And then I added a simple condition to play the audio whenever the camera detects the image target, and to stop whenever it does not um, find the image target. Here is a quick sample of the output. That's all. Thank you.